Hi everyone, this is Ambroise from Motoplaisir Motorcycle Rental in Geneva. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and use the new BMW Motorrad Connected Cradle with your smartphone. So this is the device itself, nothing special in the box apart from this and a quick start guide. So the first thing you have to do is to adjust the size of the cradle to your smartphone. So first thing you have to do is to undo this screw. You can, when you are used to that, you can do it on the bike, but just to show you, once you have undone this screw, you can move this part and this one to adjust it to your smartphone, and you have to press here because this part is spring-loaded, so you have to press here, and then you tighten the screw. And now you're done. To take your smartphone off, you pull this part down and then you can lift the smartphone. So the cradle will charge your phone wirelessly if your phone is compatible with that. If your smartphone is not, you have a USB plug here. Be careful, it's a USB-C plug, the one that is rounded. So make sure you have the proper cable to be able to charge your phone. The orientation of the phone can be one way or the other if you need the port of your phone or not to charge it. Once you have done that, you install the cradle and your smartphone on the GPS mount, exactly the same way as usual with the BMW GPS. So you use the key of the bike, you mount the lower part first, and then you click it in. Don't forget to secure the cradle itself as you would secure the GPS. Of course, your smartphone is not secured, so don't leave it on the bike. Anybody can take it off like this. To put it back, you insert the upper part first and you lower this part. Let's start the bike now. So the bike powers the cradle. So it's charging now wirelessly. Of course, you have to download the BMW Motorrad Connected app. I'll put a link to the video about that. The first time you connect your phone to the cradle, you have to choose this. This is the main menu, Connectivity Hub. So you click here to connect a new device. It finds the cradle here, and it's now connected. You click OK for notifications, OK. So now it's connected. When you put your phone on the first time on the cradle, it shows you a tutorial that is very well made. We have seen already how to adjust the size of the cradle to your phone. You click Continue. OK, place the smartphone. Push both support arms until they reach your smartphone. OK. OK. So now how to control your smartphone. It's well explained here. You have to press and hold the menu button up, and then you control the smartphone instead of controlling the display here. You rotate the wheel down, or you rotate the wheel up, and you will be able to choose the different items, and to select, you push the wheel to the right. And to go back, you pull it to the left. That's very intuitive, very easy. Once you have done that, it displays the map. I push to the right to enter address. You will have your recent destinations, points of interest, favorites, settings, spoken instructions, etc. Route criteria, that's the one that is interesting to be able to choose the fastest or the winding route setting, for instance. You can also set what you want to avoid. You can do about everything you can do with the BMW Motorrad Connected app, just using the multi-controller. Bike information here, you can display something that is a bit fun, maximum lean angle, deceleration, acceleration, and you can also display, in addition to what you have on the TFT screen, everything about the condition of the bike, fuel level, range, tire pressure, and so on. So now if you want to control the display of the bike, what you have to do is press and hold the menu button down, and this shows you here that you are controlling the TFT screen of the bike, and when you press the menu button up, you are now controlling the navigation, your smartphone, through the BMW Motorrad Connected app. So this is it. Very simple device and very convenient to use, and it really helps the connectivity and the navigation with your smartphone on the 1250GS. Thanks a lot for your attention. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, please ask them below. I will be happy to answer. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.